it's Nicole, and today I have my December Boxycharm unboxing. So before I get into this video, I just want to say, first and foremost, these videos are going to be so much better quality because I got an iPad for Christmas. So filming is like, I'm looking at a screen, it's so much bigger, so like, sorry if I'm looking there a lot. I'm trying to look at the camera. So now I'm going to have my phone here, but it feels so weird to have this iPad. But I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the theme this month is 'Tis the Season. So it's like sea themed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So the first item in the box is this. This is the PYT. It's a girl's world. This is a mini hair straightener. Now, fun fact about me, I actually don't really do anything to my hair. This is like all natural. Like the little like wave and curls that it tends to have. The only time I'll ever like straighten or curl it is if I have like an event. I didn't even look at the color because I was gonna give this to my mom. So I want to see what color it is. So it's a little pink straightener, and this retails for $75. So already this is more than you pay to get for the box. So I was gonna give this to my mom for Christmas, and I totally forgot like it was up here, so I need to go give it to her. But you know, it's here, and for $75, okay, I feel like that's kind of a bit too pricey, $75, but then again, I don't know much about these kind of products, but, you know, and it says that this little guy can reach a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 Celsius, so if you want to know that, there you go. The next product I have is this Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. And this retails for $30. I've used this one time. I need to like try it some more to see if I actually like it or not. And usually, I will be honest, I don't like masks that I have to like use your fingers or like paint on. I was using a Sephora brush. But this one you don't actually peel off. You have to like wash it off, which I actually don't mind. So I might actually keep this and give it a go more. So, you know, it's fine. So I'm excited to use this some more and try it out some more. And again, the price of this is $30. The next product is, where is it? This little lip liner. This is the Bodyography lip liner, and this is in the shade Timber, which is like a brown kind of shade. Honestly, I don't use lip liners. Also, I'm not happy with this lip liner because, as you can see, it looks like a legit colored pencil, and usually those kind of like lip liners aren't the best. I have a MAC one, and it's the same one, and I don't use it. But you know, still. And this retails for not 13. This pencil retails for $12. It says this is vegan, cruelty free. So I don't know. It has coconut oil and vitamin E. Again, I just never use lip liners, but this was in the box. The next product I have is by Tarte, which honestly, out of all of like the high-end brands, Tarte is one of my favorites. So I was happy to get this in my box. This is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, which is a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. I've used this one time, so I need to like mess with it some more. This retails for $20, and I was so happy with the shade. This is the shade Insta Famous. And look how pretty it is. It's like this really nice, like, pink. And it actually is really, really pretty. And I was going to get rid of this, but I'm going to try to keep it and play with it some more. But the one time I actually, like, used it is really, really pretty. The only downside to this product is the applicator. I do like that it's, like, that scoop. But I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't pick up too much pigment, which I would like on a lip gloss. But like applying it, it looks sheer and it has glitter, which I actually like in a lip gloss. So again, I'm going to keep this around and see if I'm going to actually use it. But again, I love Tarte, so it's good. And again, this retails for $20. This last product is actually one of my favorite products, and I actually have used this quite a bit. This is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Matte About It, I think is what it is. So fun fact about me, my favorite setting powder, I'll actually show you. This is my favorite loose setting powder, and honestly, a year ago, I would never have used loose powder all over my face, But after using this Too Faced one, I actually am obsessed with it. So I'm excited to use this Pretty Vulgar one some more. There's kind of a smell to it, and it's like a yellowy undertone, which I actually don't mind. I might want to try using it under my like bronzer to see if that'll like brighten it. But, you know, it's really good, and it's actually very mattifying. And again, this retails for $32. So out of everything in the box, I'm happy about the face mask, the Tarte lip gloss, and that powder, because I can never have too many powders. So I did the math for this, and again, do remember you pay $21 for this box. The price for this one's box is $169, which is really, really good. So I was pleasantly happy, and my friend who edits my videos also is signed up for Boxycharm now. So if you want to go see, she had some things that are similar in her box to my box, but some different things. So if you want to see what's in her box, hopefully she'll put her channel name down below, and y'all can go click and go support her. And then in the comments, come say you're from Natural Nicole's channel or whatever. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if this quality is better, let me know, because the main reason why I got the iPad was for a better quality, bigger screen. Also, there was no issues with sending it, because whatever reason I have issues sending on my phone. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye, guys.